Welcome to Geometry Zone. Today we want to discuss a most important application on circle geometry. Prove with reason that two equal chords of any circle are equidistant from its centers. We consider a circle whose center is O. Given in a circle with the center O, two equal chords are AB and CD. The distances of AB and CD from the center O are OE and OF respectively. That is, OE is perpendicular on AB and OF is perpendicular on CD. To prove OE equal to OF. Construction: join OA and OC. Proof: OE is perpendicular on AB and OF is perpendicular on CD. They are given. Therefore, AE equal to half of AB and CF equal to half of CD. Since the perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord which is not a diameter bisect the chord. Again, AB equal to CD, that is given. Therefore, AE equal to CF. Therefore, in right angled triangle AEO and in right angle triangle CFO, angle OEA that equal to angle OFC, which is right angle. Hypotenuse OA equal to hypotenuse OC, and they are the radii of the same circle. AE equal to CF. So triangle AEO and triangle CFO by RHS axiom of congruency. Therefore, OE equal to OF. Hence the theorem proved. Thank you. Visit again.